What do you want for breakfast? ¿Qué quieres desayunar? Contesta. ¿Qué quieres desayunar?
Ay, pues es bien temprano, son las 12 de mediodía.
It is 8 o'clock. 9 o'clock.
Pues tengo mucho sueño.
¿Qué quieres desayunar?
Muy temprano. Lo que me quieras invitar está bien.
He wants menudo, so let's go. Alright, so I got up and I got ready. We're about to go get the menudo. I'm gonna show you what time it is since my husband likes to say it's 12 o'clock. Look, guys. How do you... Okay.
I can try it from my phone.
No, I'm gonna... Hold on. So yeah, we're gonna go to the store, get the menudo for my husband, get some tamales for us, and then we're gonna come back and make some coffee and wake up the little babies. So, let's go. It's snowing, guys. You wanna see? Definitely snowing in Indiana. We're supposed to get a ton of snow. So, right now, there's not a lot of snow on the ground. My old stove. But yeah, there's no snow on the ground yet. But it's gonna happen. It's happening. Alright, let's go. In less than 5 minutes, the roads have become covered. Look, guys. That's crazy. And it's only getting worse by the minute. So, welcome to Indiana. Alright, guys. So, we have the menudo. We got a rosca de reyes, which is like, it's like a type of bread that has a little doll in it. And what we do is whoever gets the doll has to like do something. They like owe something, like they make food or they clean or like a chore or something. I'll do maybe a live or a video on that later on. We got the tamales, and then we came here to Speedway to get some refreshments, and I got a coffee because I need coffee. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys the snow. It's gotten worse in this past hour. It's 10:53 now, so it's taking us a while, but yeah. 10:53. I'm gonna back out, and we're at Speedway. We're leaving Speedway now, and we're gonna go home. I'm gonna show you guys the snow. I drive crazy. We got this. Look at the snow. You can tell the difference. There's definitely an inch or two that's fell this past hour, and it's only gonna get worse. But yeah, so now we're gonna go home and wake up my husband and the babies so we can have brunch. Are you ready to eat? Yeah, say hi. Alright, guys, I gotta be careful driving and recording, so look at that. That is nasty. Difference, guys. When we left, it was clear, like it just had started to snow. And now we're on our way back home, and the street is white. It is definitely about 2 to 3 inches now. I love it. What do you guys think about the snow? Is it snowing where you are? Comment and let me know if it is snowing where you live. I need to know. I bought. Guys, this is about to be delicious. Oh. What are you eating? What are you eating? ¿Qué estás comiendo?
Menudo.
¿Y qué horas son?
Son las 12, ¿no? Echar un menudito.
Earlier he said it was 12 o'clock, like 3 hours ago.
A ver si les gusta.
And it's just now
Salsita,
11:30.
menudo, cebolla, cilantro, limón, chilito picado. Ese es mi...
Here's something about Mr. Beast.
What was it?
Mr. Beast,
What about him?
I saw him
Where?
in the TV, the little one.
On the little TV? Oh, what did he say?
He just said nothing. He was happy.
He was happy? Did he say your name?
And he had fire and he was happy.
He had fire. Did he say your name? Did he talk to you?
No, he never popped out and say, "Hi, Luska."
Oh. All right. Are you going to eat your breakfast? What are you having for breakfast? What is that? Tamales? Mmm. Is it good? Love you.
Malita.
Love you.
Too.
Say hi, Mr. Beast. You'll get better soon, right? You just have a little cold? Yeah?